Alright, so I took 2 trades yesterday and I win both of them. And I trade Doge and gold. But right now, since the market was closed, I just do a weekly analysis for the markets of gold. So on Doge, the daily bias yesterday was bullish. So I scaled down to the lower time frame and mark out the market session for the Asian, London, and New York. I see some equilibrium right here that the price is in discount. So what did I do is I waited for some break of structure here in 1 minute time frame and I entered this candle. So I just put my stop loss right below here in the recent swing high. I put my take profit in the London session highs, which is here. So this trade lasts like 30 to 1 minute. I don't know, because the market yesterday was so freaking bullish, so it didn't took a lot of time. But if we go to the gold, daily bias of gold is bearish momentum, and I see some news in the Forex Factory that the gold was going to go down. There's a high impact news yesterday, so I scaled down to the lower time frame, look for some equilibrium in the 5 minutes time frame. And same goes with gold. This trade lasts for about 1 minute to 2 minutes, I don't know, but it's just fast, bro. Just look at this. So what happened was, I see some break of structure here in lower time frame. I immediately enter a trade right here because the price is so fast. So I put my stop loss right above this London session highs on the 5 minutes time frame, and I put my take profit here in the nearest liquidity. So right now, since the market is closed because it's Saturday, I'll just do a weekly analysis for gold, and maybe I will trade on Doge USDT. So let's just do a weekly analysis. So on Monday, there's a news of PMI about level of diffusion index, about surveyed purchasing managers, something like that. And on Tuesday, there's 2 high impact news about ISM services and job opening type shit. But you know, let's just be careful about that news. And oh my god, there's a lot of high impact news on Wednesday, and there's FOMC, 2 FOMC. So maybe I'm not going to trade on Wednesday. And on Thursday, on Thursday there's no news. And Friday, another lot of high impact news. So the market will possibly more volatile next week. And let's see to the gold. So in monthly, the price starts to break the structure to the downside. And if you can see here in the weekly time frame, the market starts to break the structure here, this low right here, it starts to going down. So the possible weekly bias for next week is bearish. So please be careful on putting a trades on next week, because there's a lot of high impact news that is coming. And I can say that the market right now is going down because I see some break of structure to the downside. And if you can see here in USD JPY, there's an SMT divergence right here because UJ and the XU correlates with each other. You know, so if the UJ goes high, the XU will go down because they correlate with each other, and it shows that the price on weekly time frame on UJ is going to bullish. So I can really say right now that the market on XU, if you are trading XU, next week the price will go bearish. So I think I'm gonna end this video right here because I didn't took a trade on Doge because I didn't see some entry, and I don't push myself to put a trade when there's no a fucking entry, because if you force yourself to put an entry, there's a high probability that you will lose. So it's better to not to take a trade, and remember that the market should be the one who will show you a entry instead of you finding an entry. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe, and peace out.